Okay, everybody, it is me, and it looks like good times are here again. Oh, yeah. Just for some entertainment value, I dare you. Turn on Fox Business, Bloomberg, CNBC. You're going to see a bunch of commentators in full-on orgasmic mode. You want to see what that looks like? Oh, they're loving life right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to talk more about that. So, yes, post-market wrap-up. Tuesday, October 25th, 2022. People, another rally here on Wall Street. And as I just said, the euphoria here is almost off the freaking Richter scale. But look, you know why this is happening. You know exactly why. Let me explain this to you before I eat paper again. Remember yesterday? I was doing that. Yeah, I might eat paper, but let's see if I can avoid doing that. So, not only did the 10-year yield crater today, let's put that into perspective, okay? So, Friday, we had a 10-year yield 4.31, 4.32. We're now at like 4.07. Yeah, that was just Friday. And now we get this. What's happening here is, there's someone out here. There's some very large entity out here buying all the debt. Who could that be? I don't know. Who do you think that is? Look, not only here are we seeing this phenomenon of huge amounts. You like that word? Huge amounts of debt here being bought up. We got this phenomenon of the dollar, which cratered today, falling over 1%. Now listen, you and I, are we far ahead of the curve? I don't have to eat any more paper. No, we have it discussed right here on this lovely blog, right here, okay, that we needed to see a couple of things happen. We needed to see some kind of stabilization here in the debt market. What's going on here? It's pretty insane. I mean, what a drop in the 10-year yield. The MMRI, significant drop today. Mannarino market risk indicator, again, free to everyone, all of you, my lovely friends. Link in the description of this video. And things they appear, okay, but things aren't always what they appear to be. Normalizing. Is this going to continue is the key. Now, look, is the market bottoming out here? I don't care. I'm being honest with you. I don't care. What I'm looking at is the same thing you should be looking at. Are we seeing some kind of stabilization here in the debt market? Are we seeing a reversal here in the knee-jerk fear trade, okay, into the U.S. dollar? Well, I guess we're going to see, because look, what happened on Friday? I don't want to, look, we can't downplay this, all right? I make a joke about a lot of things here, and a joke about Nick the pig, oink, oink, and Mary Daly, the one that's gender confused over there. You're very, very confused. She flips a coin, doesn't know which side she wants to flip on every day. I get it. It's okay. Believe me, it's okay. But anyway, that was profound. How that whole thing took place. It just completely blows my mind. Really, a coincidence here. MMRI crosses 300. Goes into extreme risk, okay? The market slated to crater. Stock futures down across the board. Pan sell-off. Everything was about to sell off. And then all of a sudden, Nick the pig gets floated out here, okay? And then Mary Daly backs it up, through the back door. You got me some backdoor action over there? Yeah, some people are really into that. Ain't my thing, though. But, that really did, look, the market's being set up here. Clearly, these individuals who get floated out, whisperers, imagine that. The last thing on this earth that I want to be known as is the Fed whisperer, like Nick the pig. Okay, I don't want to be known as the Fed. I'm a Fed. I'm an anti-Fed person. You all know that. I think it's the most corrupt, perverted, twisted, organization who's ever been set up on the face of the earth. And it's a curse. It's a curse on mankind. Central banks are public enemy number one. They are a curse upon this world, and they're pushing the world in any direction they want to. See, central banks have that power. They control the economy. They control the financial systems. They can do whatever they want with no oversight at any moment. Okay, you tell me who runs the world. It's the central banks. Wake up, okay? Maybe you need a good little smack across the face. You want to see me eat some paper? Yeah, whatever. Seriously, come on. Don't make me eat any paper. I don't want to eat. It tastes like shit. Damn. It does taste like shit. I'm probably going to die. I'm going to die at one point, but who knows. Anyway, so this is the story today. It's not the rally in the stock market. It's not the giddy orgasmic people all over the mainstream propaganda ministry. No, it's not that. It's the debt market. But let me let you in on another big clue here. Here's another clue for you, okay? And it's not a little one. It's not small. It's big. It's really big. It's really, really freaking big. What is that clue? Well, we're not fixing a damn thing here, okay? We're inflating the debt more than we ever have. It's not going to stop. All this is massively inflationary. And I don't give a shit what the Fed does come December. Taper, no taper. What the freak they're going to pivot? I don't know. Okay, don't matter. It's all just a shit show with regard to surging global debt. Do you think it's going to matter? If the Fed, let's just throw a hypothetical out here before I eat paper again. Okay, let's just throw this out here. Let's say come December, Nick the Pig and Mary over there, Mary, quite contrary, fill in the blank there. Anyway, if they do, let's say a 50 basis point rate hike, okay, because they're really committed to fighting inflation. They're committed to it. Oh, they are because they're telling you. And everything they say is true. So instead of a 75 basis point hike, we get 50. Okay, we get 50. Lovely. What does it mean? Does it mean that everything's great? That everything's normalizing? We're just going to be off to the races? No. There's still going to be grossly and massively inflating global debt on a scale that you can't even possibly believe. This is massively inflationary, but you're not supposed to know that because they're committed. See, look, I'm going to eat paper again. I'm going to keep eating this freaking paper, people. Make any of this stuff up, okay? You got the propaganda ministry. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fed's fighting inflation. It's a losing battle. It was never meant to work. You all know that if you've been following this blog since day one. What a load of crap they've been feeding people. But by the bucketful, you want to see what that looks like? Until you choke on it. That's all they do, okay? You got the propaganda, you got the lies, the distortions of the truth, the look here's and the don't look here on an unprecedented scale. It's not going to stop. But everyone's giddy. Stock market's doing great. Oh, that must mean everything is just lovely. Ask our president. Ask President Imbecile. He'll tell you. Oh yeah. You see, look, I'm all about loving each other, caring about each other, and being charitable. But when you have people here, like everybody, the president, the Fed presidents, all these freaks out here who are going out of their way to mislead you, lie to you, deceive you, it pisses me off. Okay? And I firmly believe that I am in the right here and have every right here to make fun of these freaks out here. Nick the Pig and all these other people. Nick the Pig, seriously. Who made money? I still want to know. Does anyone out here believe for a nanosecond that no one made money off Nick the Pig getting floated out here and then followed up by Mary Dolly here? Okay, this is market rigging to the highest order. If you or me had that kind of power to utter a few words like the Federal Reserve might pivot in December and the stocks take off for 3 consecutive days, the entire stock market on the back of rates cratering, yields cratering, and the dollar making a reversal like that, that would be called market manipulation on an unprecedented scale. You and I, we would be in handcuffs right now. You know what would be happening to us right now? I don't think we'd be liking it very much. No, I don't think so. But that's how we would be. But not these other freaks out here. And that's why they call it, look, if I don't come up with nicknames for people, I will go out of my freaking mind. Forget about eating paper. I'll start eating broken glass or something. Anyway, so a couple of other lovely things happened today. Cryptocurrencies doing very well. Bitcoin over 20,000. Gold and silver doing well today. Crude oil getting a bit higher. All right, all this is all well and good. All lovely, perfect, and fantastic. But let's cover a few other things here. So U.S. home, this is sad really. Home prices continue to fall at their fastest pace ever. Okay. Meanwhile, home affordability continues to be at its lowest level in history. Oh, I wonder why that's happening. Because we're all doing so well. The economy must be booming, right? You know how that's happening? You know why that's true? Because that's what you're being told. The mainstream media is telling you this, so it must actually be completely true. You know that. Consumer confidence continues to fall as well. Could you imagine being confident? Notice the word, confidence. Got it? It's all a con job on an unprecedented scale. Anyway, people, look, I don't know what else really to say here. You know, I want to bring something to your attention. Look, on top of my joking around and flipping out and eating paper, I really do care about people. I care about all of you. I'm committed myself, seriously, and I've been for many, many years, to making a positive difference in the world. And that's really why I do this. I may put a little comical spin on what's happening here, but without that, first of all, I don't think this would be very interesting. It would be the most boring thing on the face of the earth. I'd rather eat paper all day long than watch someone sitting here just saying, okay, everyone, so this is the news. The economy sucks, and we're being fed dog shit a mile high. You know, I even that, I guess that would be entertaining. But look, so every Friday I leave you off with love each other, care about each other, be charitable. And I mean these things. I really do. And the people that I pick on here, like I said, they're out to deceive you. They all are out to deceive you. Every one of them. And I don't pick on anyone that doesn't clearly deserve it or is lying to you. And that bothers me because I care about everybody. This is not just my thing. This is our thing. So I came up with a concept. See if you can figure this out. Emanon. Okay? What is it backwards? No name. Okay? Emanon. This is a concept that I've come up with here. And it kind of plays into me, and I hope you, wanting to make a positive change in the world. So I put this together here. I want to read this to you. And I'm going to ask for a commitment here at the end. And if you do subscribe to my free newsletter, this is already in your email box. So go check your email box. I want you to have this, and I want you to keep it as well. So I just want to read this to you. Again, look at my little thing I made here. I think it's very creative. Do you think? Maybe not? I don't know. Anyway, so Emanon. All right. Committed to creating positive change in the world. An idea, a concept for positive change by me, Gregory Mannarino, and I hope you will join in this. So here we go. All right. Would you be interested in joining an organization which is committed to making a positive difference in the world? I would believe you would say yes to that. Okay, so far we're on the same page. Well, Emanon seeks out good people with integrity all over the world who are willing to stand up, okay, and make a positive difference in both the world and in themselves by simply doing good. Does that sound too far-fetched to you so far, or are we on the same page? Okay, I think we're probably still on the same page. Emanon seeks out both men and women of all ages, belief systems, race, creed, background, socioeconomic status, etc., who are committed to performing good works for the benefit of all mankind. You're still on the same page with me? Okay, I hope so. Emanon does not discriminate in any matter against any person. Everyone and anyone on earth who is committed to creating positive change in the world are welcome and encouraged to join. So here we go. What's the catch? No catch, okay? None at all. All you need to join Emanon here, okay? This is my thing, soon to be everyone's thing, okay? Okay, join Emanon. Is a commitment to doing good. There are no fees, dues, or anything. Are you still interested? If you're still interested, then here we go. Right now, we're gonna do this. This is gonna echo around the world. Right now, just say this out loud. Ready? We're going to do this together. I am committed to doing good. I am committed to doing good. That's it. Now, almost done. Bang. You are now a member of Emanon. Please allow me to be the first person to congratulate you sincerely and welcome. Now, seek out more people, okay, who will also commit to creating positive change in the world. What a concept, okay? Just copy, or I wrote copy, paste, share this with everyone you know and on your social media platforms. Together, people, look, please look at this. Together, all of us can make a positive difference in the world. And who knows where this can go? Yours truly, Greg Mannarino. I don't think this is too far-fetched. You know, everything has to start somewhere. So why not this? I mean, why not something so simple, so basic, it's actually brilliant, okay? Honestly, I don't think this is too much to ask for. I want people to commit to doing good. You know, a lot of people talk a good game. Oh, I'm committed because of this. I'm committed because of that. But actually, do you do it? Do you wake up every day saying, I'm going to do one thing good today? Or you just wake up every day and go about your usual routine? For example, you get up, you make your coffee, you have your breakfast, you get ready, take a shower, you go to work, in whatever order that might be. Okay, you come home, you eat your dinner, you watch TV, flick some channels, and maybe say hello to your kids and pet your dog, and you go on your lovely way. But no, if we each commit to doing one thing per day, just one good thing a day, I don't know what it is. Find something that you believe in, that's important to you. Every day, just one. Is that too much to ask for? Commit to performing one good act per day. If we all did this, do you think the world would be in the shit state that it's in right now? I don't think so. I really don't believe so. So again, for those of you who did actually say, I am committed to doing good, I congratulate you, seriously. And this is a real thing. I want to get it out there. I want to make a difference, people, so badly. I really, really do. We are making a difference with this blog. I really believe that. We're getting it out there. People, look, these concepts that I cover maybe are, complicated to a certain degree, but I try to make it seem easy and actually fun. I try to say, okay, what can I do here to, grab people's attention and make them understand what's happening. I believe that we all have a responsibility to each other. I've been committed to this for years, okay? And I will continue that commitment to people, to doing good. Every single day of my life, this is the truth, I say, what good can I do? What one thing can I do that would make a difference? A positive difference in someone's life, which would, of course, move on and make a difference in the world itself. Change can be the most minute thing, the positive change, and the slightest little basic thing, like even maybe saying hello to someone that you've never done before. Walk around your neighborhood instead of walking around with blinders on and your earbuds on and, blocking out the world. Maybe go around and, shake somebody's hand. Go talk to people who you haven't spoken to before. It's really the truth here. Anyway, look, I hope you see the light here and understand what I'm trying to do with this whole Emanon thing. And let's do that, okay? I'm counting on you. We're gonna make this happen, all right? Just every day. How about I make a deal with you? How about once a week? Really say I'm gonna do something good. I'm going to do something I haven't done before, something that I believe is going to make a positive difference in the world just once a week, 52 times a year. Is that too much to ask? I don't think so. I really don't. All right, look, I'm out of here. Covered a lot of stuff today. As I said, if you do subscribe to my free newsletter, link in the description, you do have this in your email box. I hope you will pay that some attention and stop making excuses, okay? Start doing good. And we can change the freaking world. I am certain of that. Love you a lot, people. I really do. Spread the freaking love. There's something that you can do. Go call someone who you haven't spoken to in a while. Tell them that you love them. Or, it doesn't take much. Really, it doesn't take much at all to bring a smile to someone's face, to make someone happy, make someone laugh. There's a lot of people out here who feel lost. They feel forgotten. All right? And it's up to you and me to change that. And we can, and we will, all right? I'm out of here. See you in the morning.